Yes, solve one more question. The first question of this chapter. Example 2.1. Based on previous lecture. Means addition of vectors. Triangle rule of addition. A parallelogram of, also called two vectors. Solve first. Two vectors having equal magnitude. Two vectors having equal magnitudes. A means what? A vector and B vector, small a vector and a small b vector having equal magnitudes with capital A and makes an angle theta with each other. Makes an angle theta with each other. Full stop. Find the magnitude. Find what? Find the magnitude of resultant and direction of the resultant. I give you some time, solve it. Okay. What we do first in this question, that it is given that what? Two vectors having equal magnitudes and makes an angle theta with each other. Okay, makes angle theta and magnitude A. Find the magnitude means we have to find only resultant. Of both magnitude and direction. Okay. Suppose we draw two vectors, A vector and B vector. A vector and B vector. Okay. Sorry. This can be drawn in like this. A vector and B vector. Okay. A vector and B vector. B vector can adjacent side like A vector can be drawn parallel to each other. B can be drawn parallel to B vector like this, and A vector to parallel to A vector used in parallelogram. So we don't draw because we know the values, but drawing is very important in physics diagram. So resultant R represent A vector plus B vector like this. Why? We called this parallelogram ABCD, and the diagonal R is the resultant of vector A vector and B vector. Also A vector and resultant what? Both the tail of A vector and B vector joining the head of A vector and B vector is the resultant of parallelogram of two vectors. Okay. Given the magnitude, okay, A vector contain A magnitude, B vector contain B magnitude. Of capital A of same, it is given in the question already. Both have equal magnitude like this, and have angle theta with each other. Angle between A vector and B vector is a theta angle with each other. Okay. Now we find resultant. For finding resultant, we know the resultant formula by solving triangle rule of addition. That is A vector A square means A vector means A vector magnitude, A vector's magnitude A whole square, then B square, then 2AB cos theta. Okay, don't get confused, solve it. solve it fast. In under root, a vector plus b vector plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, simply a square then 2a square then cos theta. Now a square being common, then 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 2 cos theta, and this can a comes out to outside, and then inside 2 also come out, but root 2 is a root 2, yeah, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, root 2a, 1 plus cos theta. If we consider like this, if we solve like this, 2 common, a square, then 1 plus cos theta, then answer is what? 2a square under root, in under root 1 plus cos theta. Here is a formula of cos 2 theta. It can be used in this question, that is 2 cos square theta, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus sin square theta. Yeah, both can be used, but we should take 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here also 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, and 1 plus cos and 2 cos square theta into 2 cos square theta. Then finally 2 into 2 4 comes out and and changes to 2a cos theta. Final answer is 2a cos theta. This is right answer or wrong. Suppose that if 2 cos square theta by 2, then 1 plus cos, theta. We have to find cos theta. No? It can be written as 2a cos theta by 2. Why? Because we have cos theta, not cos 2 theta, means 2 thetas of half theta. Then theta plus theta becomes 2 theta, and then theta by 2 plus theta by 2 becomes theta. So we get 2a cos theta by 2. For angle it is resultant, but for angle tan alpha, for tan alpha we know the formula, b sin theta plus a plus b cos theta. Very simple formula. B sin theta, b means a sin theta, and theta what? Okay. And then a becomes a, and a cos theta. Finally, by cancelling out, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So write this sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. After changing this sin theta, here I can solve this. Sin 2 theta formula, you know sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, and then it becomes sin, when it becomes sin theta, it is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then sin 2 theta, so sin theta is equal to sin 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now 1 plus cos theta, and then 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to what? 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to what? Or 1 plus cos theta equal to what? We get by this formula 2 cos square theta by 2. After solving this, we get 2 to cancel, cos square theta to cos theta cancel, and then finally we get sin theta by 2, and then cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2, and the angle is tan theta by 2. So this is example of 2.1. It means what? Resultant tan theta by 2 means what? Tan alpha is equal to tan theta by 2. So tan cancel and theta is equal to angle is equal to, and then angle is equal to. How it is possible? Tan alpha, tan cancel, theta by 2, alpha is equal to theta by 2 means the resultant of these both vectors are perpendicular to the both two vectors bisect. Means what? These are not perpendicular, bisect each other. These are equal angles. Means these are theta by 2 and then this is theta by 2. Write it. This is completed.